Bossing for 2. Dumalenta. No good. Foul number 3. Points by Ganadel. Patay ang butike. Jumbo by number 12 and 13. Aldridge dribble the ball. Pass to Dumalanta for 3. 3 points by Lasingero. Dumalanta. Two points by Aldridge. He scored 7-0 by Asador. Rebound by Ibra. Dumalanta dribble the ball, pass to Aldridge. No good. Foul by number 14.
Second personal foul. Second team foul.
First personal foul, second team foul. Time left, 6 minutes and 23 seconds. 6:23. Pass break to April.
Tap.
Shot to Bossing for 2. No good. 2 points by Ganadel. James dribble the ball. Pinasa. Tinira, shoot by number 24. Yung pass break for Ganadel. Time left, 5 minutes. Score 9-2 Telborot Asador. 2 points by Ganadel. Dribble the ball, supalpal kay Ibra. Traveling violation. Aldridge dribble the ball. 3-point for Dumalanta, no good. James dribble the ball, hinaharas. Nakuha ni Bossy. Green ball. Walang bumaba. Sala na naman kay Ganabel. Malas. Hindi makashoot ng red. James. Nakuha ni James. Dribble the ball. Tinira. Sala. Rebound by pass to Ganabel. 2 points by Bossy. Time left, 2 minutes and 13 seconds. Score 13-2, favor of Asador.
Andiyan na isang score. Ano pwede sa Clifford sa kanina? Andiyan isang score. Ano pwede sa
Boss Clifford, dito ka raw. 2 points by Bossy. Al centro, Bebo. Umikot, Sala. Binato. Bossing otra vez. Time out. Dribble the ball. Pass to 23. Rebound by Daddy Chopla for 2. Bossy. 2 points by Bossy. Time left, 1 minute and 5 seconds. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Outside. Last 15 seconds. Isipan. Aldrich. Ganaden for 2. Yes. 2 points by Ganaden. Last 31 seconds.
Tumakbo na agad. Ang bilis.
Foul by number 13.
First personal foul. Third team foul.
13 foul. Time left, 21 seconds. 21 seconds. Good shot by Daddy Joplas. 14 seconds. 10, 9, 8. Outside. 4.5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time.
Sino magtitipay sa edit? Aanin lang kayo.
24, dribble the ball. Dumalanta. Pabor for 2. Sino?
Clifford, dito ka na.
Tinira. Patay ang butike. Na-rebound ni paring Ironman. Papa. Basket. I cambio.
Third personal foul. First team foul.
Number 3, third personal foul. Number 18, 2 points by Edwin Canlas. Tinira ni James Sala. Nakuha ni Dumalanta, pinasa kay Ironman for 2. Good shot by Ironman. Injured. Palit. Time left, 8 minutes and 17 seconds. Ito.
Idol! Ha? Kaya ito kasi basa ito eh. Para tumigol yung ano.
Para kang may pitawag. Gracias,
Foul by number 29. First personal foul, second team foul. Free throw by Ironman. No good. Parang lasing to kagabi. Second throw. Wala talaga. Lasing nga to. Gumante. Sala talaga. Marlon, pinasa. 2 points by Ironman. He scored 31-7. Supalpal. Time left, 6 minutes and 59 seconds. Ironman for 2. No good. Talagang lasing yan. James. Traveling violation by James. Tempo, vale.
Tiempo.
Time out! Dumalanta na agaw. Dumright, pinasa. Ay cambio. Sala talaga? Sala na naman? Green ball. Dumalanta, dribble the ball. Pinasa kay Ironman. Supalpal. Outside by Asador. James dribble the ball. Tinira, Sala. Time left, 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Ironman, na muersa, foul by Daddy Jablag.
Warning na for penalty.
Warning for penalty. 2 points. Talagang sala pare. Lasing. Wala talaga pre. Pistacio. Tinira, baldog, pero shoot. Score 33-7 favor ng Pasador. Pistacio, dribble the ball. Pinasa kay Ayurman. Pinasa kay Dumalanta. Tumutok. Lasing na naman kagabi. 2 points by Dumalanta. 3 points by number 3. Time left 2 minutes and 43 seconds for the second quarter. James dribble the ball. Pass break. Good shot by number 12. Ibra, Lumopos. Supalpal ang inabot ni pare. Okay lang yan. Dumalanta, kumeke. No goal. Rebound by Kabuda. Pass to number 29. Ayun na, nawala. Ang ganda ng pasa. Good shot by number 5. No, number 29. Pardon. Namuersa. 2 points by Ironman. Time left 1 minute and 29 seconds. Score 37-40 favor by Asador. Cambio, Bebo.
Pasa.
Inikot. Dribble by Ayuman. Tinira, pinasa kay Dumalanta. Foul. Ilan eh? Warning for Broadway. Number 3, penalty. One point. Good shot by Dumalanta. Last 57 seconds. 57. Good shot by James. 42 seconds. Rebound by James. Pass to number 29, 24. Good shot by number. Last 20 seconds. 15. 3 points by Estacio. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Pasto ka na din. Naagaw. James, dribble the ball. Tinira, Sala. Rebound by Daddy Justin. Tinira. No good. 2 points by Ganadin. Nakagaw ni Aldrich. 2 points by Aldrich. (24) dribble the ball. Foul. Foul by number Bossy. First personal foul. Second, pardon. Ganadin, Marlon, pinasa kay Bossy, foul.
Oye, chicos, fuera.
(24) dribble the ball. Foul by number 28. Second, first personal foul. Second team foul. Rebound by Ironman. Din rebound. Nag-adik. Biyahing langit. Sala. Ironman otra vez. Ganadin for 2. Time left. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 8. Steal by number 28. No good. Ball to number 9. Pass to number 9. 2 points. 6 minutes and 59 seconds. Remaining time. Number 24. Pass to number 44. No good. Number 24 again. 2 points. Final, ang score po natin ay 52-20. Favor of Asador. Number 28 to number 14. Yes, sir. 2 points. James dribbling the ball, pass to number 29. No good. Green ball. 6 minutes and 14 seconds. Number 32. Pass to Ironman to number 28. Ironman again. Sumangay ka ba? Yes, sir. 2 points. Kaya nga, dapat hindi na ayaw lumabas ng pawis, walang itutulak eh. Game to number Ganadin. Long pass to number 14. Yes, sir. 2 points again. 58-20. Time out. Time out. Pass to number 44. Rebound by number 12. No good. Marlon. Long pass by number 14. Still. Sayang. 13. 5 minutes and 5 seconds remaining time. Ang ganda ng pasa. Yes, sir. Number 14. Nakakarabi ka na. Last mo na yan. Game. Pass to number 24. To number 22. 2 points. Ganadin. 12 to number 8. No good. Rebound by Ironman. Gana din. No good. Idadakdak sana. James. 3 minutes and 58 seconds. Same ball. Substitution left. Number 44 out. 3 in. 29 in. 8 out. Steal by Marlon to Bossing. Ilista mo na. Ron, takbong mayaman. 22. 13 seconds shot clock. 3 minutes remaining time. Easy layup by number 12. Long pass by Ganavin, 2 points. 3 minutes. 24. Try to get in. Pass to number 22. No good. Number 12 again. Number 29, no good. Number 20, long pass to Ganavin. 2 points. 2 minutes, 35 seconds. Shout out by Lugaw. Ironman, 25. Turok. 2 points. Kaya nga pa natin pag may time, nakawa natin 8 ka na. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Intense sa play, no? Pero takba, ha? Number 24, sumalaksak. Rebound by Marlon. Marlon to Ironman. Sumakay ka pa. Foul, number 12. Two shot by Ironman. First personal foul. Second team foul. No good. Last attempt. Yes. Nothing but net. Number 24, 1 minute and 48 seconds. 18 seconds shot clock. Sumalaksak, no good. Rebound by 44. Libre. 2 points. Pass break. Steal by number 22 to number 24 na naman. Sumalaksak, no good. Rebound by Marlon. Run. No good. 1 minute, 10 seconds. Shout out Clifford, kumakay. Ganda ng pasa. Number 44. No good. Rebound by Ironman. Ironman, biyahing Quiapo. Ayan na. 2 points. 14. 47 seconds. 42. Wala ganyan na mga Marion. Ang tuwama, giba. Ang bumangga, giba. Mas malaki na kasi sa Daring Marlon sa number 44. Kaya 39 seconds, remaining time. No good. Rebound by number 24. Turnaround shot. 2 points. 71. 20. Number 9. 2 points. 26 seconds. 19 seconds shot clock. Steal by number 9. Pass to number 12. 14 seconds. 10 seconds. 7. 4. 5. Number 3. Number 3 again. Still by number 11. Number 9. Number 9. Number 12. Ganda ng pasa. Yes, sir. Point. Number 13. To number 9. 9 to 16. Tumalantay. No good. Rebound by number 34. 9 minutes. Wow. Yes, sir. Pinong baba. Cambio. 7 minutes and 26 seconds. Number 24 again. Sumalaksak. No good. Rebound by number 16. Pass to Aaron now. Careless whisper. Amon. 7 minutes. Matang lamang. Number 24. No good. Dumalangkay. Pass to Aaron again. Dumalangkay. 3. Foul. 3 shots. Rep, cambio, vale. 6 minutes. Reserve timeout, Tebo, vale. Number 24 again. Umiko. Foul. Number 60. Timeout. Kabude. 5 minutes and 46 seconds.
Oh, nandito ko sa basketball.
Very good.
Pero papasok ka bukas ng konti.
Sa mga susunod na maglalaro, prepare na po kayo. Torresno versus Forever Young.
Isang linggo na lang.
No good.
Bale, okay. Sige.
Ball possession.
Laruel kontra Kabudel. Huwag ka nang magmalot dito, tambak ng Kabudel.
Pass break.
Okay, sige kuya.
Ang ganda ng pasa. 2 points.
Bale, okay.
Huwag po kuya, tama na. Ang haba ang dami na yan.
Baka hindi mo doon pa. Next step na daw kami mag-video.
Number 30. Round by number 13 to 11. 11 to idol pa naman. Last 5 minutes. James to number 44. 2 points. Pass break. Number 12 to James. Tumira ng 3. No good. Ibra. To number 16. To number 11. Looking for number 16 again. 3 points. Wag po, kuya. Wag po, kuya. Number 24. Umawin. No good. 11. Number 25. Foul. Who's foul? Taas yung kamay. No good. Ang ganda ng pasa ng number 18. To number 16. No good again. James. To number 24. Nagpasabit pa. No good. Pag-asa ng kabilang team. 2 points. Number 11. 3 minutes and 42 seconds. Two shot ba? Ay, 2 points by Aaron Man. Prepare na po yung susunod na maglalaro. Asador versus Forever Young. James, 3 point. Time is 10:30. Idol. Last 3 minutes. 3 points. Wala kayong awa. Tama na yan. James, takdakan mo para ano, all. Papayag sila ng all. 2 minutes. Muli po, pinapaalala, this is a fun game. Hindi po masyadong seryoso. Bale. Number 24. 2 minutes, 25 seconds. Number 11. To Iron Man de Madrid. Pass to number 18. To number 16. 3 points. Saksakan mo, James. Ala. O yan, sikuin mo. Tama na po, kuya. Sabi nga nila. 2 points. 1 minute, 50 seconds. One minute, 25 seconds. Another 3 by number 16. 3 points. Lumabas ka na yan. Ang dami mo na score. 98-45. Number 24. Wala pa rin. Talagang para sa kanila ang tagmana. Number 25. To number Ibra. Ibra 2 points. Okay, score 198 versus 45. James, 47 seconds. 45. 40. 3 points again. No good. 36. Isa pa. Ibra. No good. 27 seconds. James, 3 points mo. Times 3. Ay, wala pa rin. 16. 12. 10. 6. 4. 3. 2. 1. Game ball. Final score 103-47. Congratulations, Asador.